morning. My name is Becky Sims, and today I am going to teach you how to create an APA formatted title page. Once you have a brand new Word document open, the first thing you're going to do is come over here into the Home tab and find Font, and then select the little box in the corner, double click that, and notice at the top font you should select Times New Roman. You may have to scroll through to find Times New Roman. Once you do select it, the font style is regular, the size is 12. Then come down here and set as the default so that all of your documents will use the correct font. Next, you're ready to insert your running head. So double click the top of the page. Make sure your cursor is moved over to the far left, and come over here to Options and select Different First Page, because the first page of your paper is going to be formatted in the header differently than the other pages. Now come over to Header and Footer and select Page Number, the little arrow, and then Top of Page, plain number 1. That inserts a number into your header. Don't do anything about moving the number just yet, because we need to type in running head. Head should not be capitalized. Put in a colon, and then in all caps type in a shortened version of the title of your paper. Make sure your running head stays over to the far left side there, and then move your cursor between cabin and number 1, and then hit the tab key as many times as it takes to move the number 1 to the far right side. Your running head is now complete, so you can double click underneath first page header. Now you'll notice that your cursor is underneath running head. Next thing we want to do is format the spacing. So come over here to the Paragraph tab, double click on the little area in the corner, and set your spacing for before and after to 0, and then select double for your line spacing and set as default. All documents, everything that you type in this class should be double spaced. Now move your cursor to the center by selecting this key right here under Paragraph, and that centers your cursor. Hit enter 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, to move your cursor down. Now you will type the title of your paper. Memories at the Cabin. Notice I did not use all caps. I only capitalized the main words in my title. I'll hit enter now and type in my name, Rebecca Sims. Hit enter again and type in Rasmussen College. Now I'll hit enter 4 more times so that I can enter my author's note. So I'll type author's note. I'll hit enter, and now I need to move my cursor to the left. So I'll select this button here to move my cursor to the left. And I'm going to now type my author's note, which is something along the lines of this essay or this personal narrative, whatever the type of assignment you're writing, is being submitted on March 4th. That's where you will put today's date, and then your instructor's name, Deborah Bowman in this case, and then the name of the course, B080 Reading and Writing Strategies course. You have now successfully set up your APA formatted cover page, but we're not done. We're going to hit enter, and then we're going to come over to the Insert tab, select Insert, and then select Page Break. This moves our cursor to page 2. Now, what you're going to do is create the header for page 2. It's different than page 1. We already set that up on our first page when we selected different first page. So now we come over to page number, top of page, plain number 1. Notice it selects number 2 because it knows that we are doing page 2. And then all caps, no longer running head, all caps, the same title that you put on page 1's running head, and then use your tab to move number 2 over. Double click underneath the header, center your cursor, and type in the title of your paper. Remember, Memories at the Cabin for this one. So Memories at the Cabin. hit enter, move your cursor back over to the left using this paragraph tab, and then hit the tab key on your keyboard one time so that your paragraph begins indented. Now you're ready to begin typing your title, your topic sentence. Some of my best memories are from the days we spent at our cabin in the woods every summer. Notice that it's double-spaced, indented. You can continue typing from here. Each page that you type will have this header and the page numbers automatically inserted. You've completely successfully set up an APA formatted paper. I hope this has helped. Please reach out to your instructor with any additional questions that you may have. Thank you.